Have you ever bought something and instantly felt like your content creation game just leveled up? See, I've been looking forward to getting this for weeks. Suli ordered this DJI Pocket 3 and she got it to improve her content creation because using my Nikon Z6 for her UGC, it's been a bit challenging for her creative style. So sit with me as I unbox it, test out the Pocket 3, a variable ND filter, the Mic Mini, and a protector for that swivel screen. This little arrow and tab right here to just pull it open. Which, yeah, that would have been a heck of a lot easier. There we go. Yeah. Let's see this sweet little thing. Ooh. Nice. What's this? Stickers. Quick start guide. We'll hold on to that, but we're gonna skip this quick start guide. Let's see, I know we're looking forward to jumping into that, but I'm a gamer and I tend to do that whole testing the map thing to check everything out before I go to the main mission. So let's take a look at this. Oh, these are stickers. What? DJI stickers. Oh, this one's kind of cool. Like, I don't know where I want to put these, but I actually really like these stickers. Sweet. I can't believe they gave us stickers too. Now right off the bat, I ripped open the box with a mix of curiosity and that I'm about to level up energy. My first impression of this is that it's just pretty cool. I had a Pocket 2 before, but this is a step up. I powered it up, immediately got drawn into tweaking its settings because, of course, I've already binged like all the best settings video on YouTube. I spent a few minutes like dialing in different combos, testing and retesting. I think for Suli, especially, it is going to be a total game changer. I think it was designed specifically for people who want high quality content without carrying a bulky setup around. Because harsh sunlight is not the vibe, I have a ND filter on right now. If you've ever battled brutal sunlight that turns your footage into a washed out mess, this is your answer. I snapped it onto the Pocket 3. The effect was almost instantaneous. What used to be like a blinding, overexposed mess now has a more natural tone. If you're serious about your visuals, I think this new filter is going to be your best friend. Then comes the Mic Mini. This thing is small, as you can see. It's like disappear into my pocket and I'd freak out for 10 minutes small. But does it deliver? Absolutely. I'm talking to you right now using the Mic Mini. I know it's tiny, but don't let its size fool you. This mic delivers like a crystal clear audio that captures every word. So far, it seems like it's not disappointing. It's working for me. Last but not least, the unsung hero is a screen protector. I know it's not like the most exciting thing, but if you don't protect your gear, you're just asking for scratches. I tried to apply it with precision, the kind of precision of somebody that really values their gear, and because I do. It's a shield that ensures that I don't ruin perfectly new gear. This is a new toy, and we don't want to mess it up. So I'm hyped to take this out for some real-world testing. Do you think these kind of gadgets boost your content, or does it seem like we're in for more like trial and error adventures? I feel, well, first of all, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I want to hear any of your questions or any of your own experiences in the comments and just, chat me up on that. I feel that this is something that is absolutely will work for me. And I'm saying this because I came from the Pocket 2 and I loved using that. But the Pocket 3 has some extra features that really make the content creation style that we do a lot easier. It's not as noticeable, well, you can just put the Pocket 3 somewhere, you can carry it around. It's not like carrying a giant, my mirrorless camera around where everybody knows, oh yeah, you're taking some pictures, and people don't like sometimes for you to be taking a video somewhere and it looks like you're taking video. The Pocket 3 is so small, it's so inconspicuous. It's called the Pocket 3 because it fits in your pocket. I look forward to making some more content with this thing.